I think for me, working at Slater and Gordon is expressed in our strapline, your case is our cause. And so for us, a case, it's very important that we win the case, but it's also a cause for us. It's a cause that drives us, that we get the very best results for our clients.
When clients first get in contact with us, the first thing that I do is listen to them, let them tell their story and try and understand what it is that they're most concerned about.
Well, the first thing a client should feel is at ease in approaching us, because we pride ourselves on the quality of the people who we employ and their care and empathy for clients who have suffered through personal injury.
The legal landscape, it's daunting and it's complicated when you don't know what you're doing or you've never been in that situation before. So it is, I think it's really important for people when they have that first contact with a solicitor that they realise that what they're saying is being listened to and is important, and it is really important to put people at their ease.
Good afternoon, you're through to Theo in the new client services at Slater and Gordon Lawyers. Can I just ask if this is a new inquiry or are you an existing client? And it's a personal injury claim, is that right? Okay, that's no problem at all. That's something that we do specialise in. So what we need to do is we need to get you through to...
I think when anyone's looking for a solicitor, they need to do their research. They need to be asking that solicitor what their experience is. They need to ask the solicitor to talk them through the court process, what it will involve, what their rate of success is. They need to ask those questions. They need to ask if they're accredited. So, for example, I'm externally accredited by the Association of Personal Injury Lawyers for industrial disease and asbestos work. We're members of the Association of Child Abuse Lawyers. So it's those sorts of things that people need to be looking at when they're looking at whether or not somebody's actually specialised and qualified to do the work for them.
Well, the history of Slater and Gordon in the UK is really about the firms that were brought together to be part of Slater and Gordon. I think the strategy of bringing together some of the best consumer legal services firms in the UK was a really good one. A number of sort of other lawyers have come to us, and it's even been commented on in the legal press that we had a very good choice of law firms to bring together. They admired our choice in quality of firms.
It's a modern and dynamic and forward-thinking law firm, brought together lots of similar-minded law firms and individuals who've come together, and that's actually an exciting journey from a business perspective to be part of.
I think you can have confidence in a bigger firm. Sometimes people are concerned that they might be lost in such a big firm. Actually, it's completely the opposite.
What I love about working at Slater and Gordon is that we have not only the enormous technical expertise in this firm, long experience of dealing with many different cases, many difficult cases, but everybody who works here has a passionate commitment to the work that they do. We're all of us driven by wanting to get the very best results for our clients and for the wider community.
I know that we're the best, and that's why when clients come to us, it's very easy to tell them that they're in the safest possible pair of hands that they can be.
Well, we cover pretty much every area of law, and again that's fairly unique because by acting for individuals, we act in personal injury matters, which is probably where our reputation has been built over the years, but we also act in all manner of general law.
I think having our main office here in Manchester is a real boost to us. It makes us very accessible to the public. We've got the law shop that people can walk in off the street and speak to a member of our team straight away. And it means we're together with all our Manchester-based colleagues in one building, meaning we can share ideas and experiences much more easily.
And we do have the significant presence in Manchester, but it's not just about being in one location. We can be anywhere at any time, so it's great to have such a large presence in the northwest. But that's rather immaterial in terms of where we can be and when.
We like to make sure that we offer a uniform service out of all of the offices, and everybody has the same quality standards and deals with people in the same way and adopts the same Slater and Gordon values through all the different offices.
I think people think we're a force to be reckoned with. People will be glad that Slater and Gordon are their lawyers. I imagine that when defendant solicitors get a letter from Slater and Gordon land on their desk, they think, oh no, because they know that we're not going to give up, but they also know that we've got the muscle and the might on our side to be able to follow through with that. And I think it's that combination of the sort of legal expertise, the excellent people that we've got working here, the sort of emphasis and complete focus on client care and getting that result for the client, combined with the scale of the business, which is just the perfect combination really, which is why I'm incredibly proud to work for Slater and Gordon.
As a matter of our professional practice, we always regularly ask our clients, how are we doing? So it's always important to speak to the client and say, look, is this what you wanted? Am I doing it the way that you wanted it? That said, cards, flowers never go amiss, so we'll accept those any day of the week. But no, the accolade is when they keep coming back to you. That's when you know you're doing something right.
I absolutely do get a buzz. There's nothing that makes you burst with pride more than reading a letter. A client who takes the trouble and effort to write a letter to you to say how great they found the support of the lawyer who's stood up for them, often against significant odds in order to win a case. That's there's nothing better than that. There really isn't.
And often it's not just about the personal thanks as well. There's been many occasions where clients of the departments have thanked several members within the team for working together and pulling all of that together as a central resource. And that shows the real value of having such a strong team.
You should come to Slater and Gordon because not only will you be getting a brilliant lawyer, fantastic legal service, but also someone friendly and down to earth who you can build not just a working relationship with, but actually a friendly and personal relationship as well.